Hello! So, being a young yep. Hello! So, I thought it would be a good idea. I sound girly. I sound so girly. Hello! So, being a young future pro hero. Maybe we should say future pro hero. Future. I don't know, I didn't plan this part. To ask out my crush. Except that I have absolutely no idea how to do that. So, yeah. Go out there and be yourself. Hope that sounded alright. So, I texted Midna. So I sent a text to Midna instead. So, I sent a text to Midna instead, and she said to try pickup lines after asking me who my crush was for an hour. No, okay. So, I sent a text to... What is this? After begging me for an hour to tell her what my crush was. That was so good. So, I sent a crush. This is going great. So, I sent a text to Minna. Okay. So, I sent a text to Minna, and So, I sent a text to Minna instead, and she said to try some pickup lines. My crush was for an hour. So, I sent a text to Minna instead, and bouncy. Turkey. Give me the thing. Ha! Oh my gosh. Turkey, come on. Hey. Go on. Can you just go in there, please? Thank you. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be the longest video ever. Stay. Thank you. I'm gonna ask you like this. Turkey, I swear you don't stay in the thingy like I need you to. I'll super glue you to. Okay. No, really. I'm just gonna. Are you copper and tellurium? Because tellurium? How do you say it? Oh my gosh. Are you cute? Yes. Are you copper and Terulium? Of course you know that because you're really smart. I don't know why I'm saying. Deku, why do you talk so much? And I don't know why I'm explaining everything to you because this is really just supposed to be a love confession. But instead I'm just gonna go explaining everything to you even though I'm talking to an action figure. So I don't know why I'm even trying to do. Cut off right there. Thank you. Because that was not the line. But it works. He's a hero. He's not gonna get a ticket. Words. Is that weird? Are you a parking ticket? Oh my gosh. Are you a cheesy pickup lines. Yay. Okay. Hey, my name's Microsoft. Mind if I crash at your place tonight? What is with the finger guns? Always. Okay. Hey. Slight angle. Hey, my name's Microsoft. Mind if I crash at your place tonight? God, what do you do? Oh, gosh, this is what the flippin'. I'm never gonna remember it. What am I doing? It's as simple as what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry. I'm sorry. I hope that works. I hope this looks good. Okay, fine. Other lines now. Because Deku's fancy. He makes special Valentines Day cards. Crayons. Okay, can you see the table? Not at all. Okay, hold on one second. Got our table now. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's so hot in here. Just like Todoroki. Okay. No! Don't you dare go on my All Might box. This is what I get for coloring on my All Might box. Gee. You didn't see that? Okay. Dear Todoroki. Dear Todoroki. I think I spelled your name wrong. We're off to a great start. Dear Todoroki. Here, take the crayons. Take it away. Take it away. Okay. This is fantastic. I love this. Okay. No, I didn't. Okay. And then, gosh, you're hot. That's all I have, and then Todoroki's gonna call eventually. So, yay, thanks! Call me. Todoroki, supposed to call now. Hello.
Hi.
Okay. I can't see you. Is it? Okay, there we go. Hello. Yeah.
Okay.
You called.
Hello,
Okay.
my door.
Okay.
Oh, I sound so dull.
I know it's gonna take some getting used to. Okay. Here, so.
Is that a figure of you behind me?
Of me behind you. Well, you mean this one way over here? Yeah, it is actually. This is going great. Okay.
Okay, retry that one.
Yeah. Yeah. And now it's basically just improv time, I suppose. So we can kind of do whatever we want now. Also, my video thingy moved from the top to the bottom. Wait, I can switch it? Oh! That's cool. Okay.
You didn't know you could switch.
I didn't know I could switch it. So.
Like, can I just imagine, like, Dobby interrupting? Like, calling.
Just hops in the call.
As if go right after. And it's like, how do you know? Go away.
Oh, wait, how did you get my number? What is happening? Okay, so yeah, let's do that real quick. Something, I don't know. Or we could just say random stuff.
I have a douch.
I don't.
Hi, you can't have him. No, just... God damn it. I lost him.
Oh.
They really messed up with the bodies on these.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
You
It's like that suit Hatsune put me in.
Here.
Oh no. Oh gosh, Todoroki. Oh my head. Floppy sleeves.
Mine aren't really floppy.
I'm pretty sure Peppa Mike mentioned they were on a team together with somebody else before, so... Although, for real, seriously, if you guys want to know, just saying, go read Vigilantes, because you actually do get to find out, and it's really good.
Oh, what are you doing? Oh, you're drinking a shake.
Oh, shakes are good. I'm looking forward to mischievous in that photo, though. Interesting.
I can't tell if that's a villain, see, because you have your hero costume on, but...
And yet I'm looking quite, scary.
Why do you have a gun? Have a gun? If Moneta turned into a villain, would that really matter?
Well,
Oh no!
could certainly get us in a bit of a sticky situation. And then we'll do like a thank you card, basically. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, like, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our first little cosplay via, like, call thing. Because COVID, stay safe. So, yeah, I guess we'll start. Yay! Okay. Just starts with us laughing.
That was a total break of character.
Well, yeah. Okay, this is going great.
What am I supposed to do?
I don't know. I don't know what even I'm doing. Okay. Alright, you ready? Boom. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. My mind just went blank about everything I was planning on saying. So cool. Okay, let me try this again. Hold on. Alright, thank you guys so much for joining us. I really hope you enjoyed that video. A special thank you to Kat for playing TodoDeku. Yeah. I hope you guys have a happy Valentine's Day. Stay. I hope you guys have a happy Valentine's Day. Stay safe. Yeah.